class. Okay, so let's have these two examples. Okay, so on the board, we have two examples. Number 1, x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. And then number 2, we have 3x squared plus 7x equals 6. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is to write the equation in standard form. So, itong number 1, it's already in the standard form. Again, when we say standard form, it is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Alright, okay, so let's start with the first one. So, the first one is already in standard form. All we need to do is to factor. So, when we factor, okay, so maglalagay muna tayo ng dalawang parentheses na ganyan, equal 0. Okay, so iisip ako ng dalawang number na pag minultiply natin is, una muna yung x squared. So let's look at x squared first. So x squared. So ano ba ang mga factors ng x squared? So ang factors ng x squared ay x and x. Okay, now, next we look at the constant c. Okay, so 10. Okay, so ano ba yung factors ng 10? Ibig sabihin, two numbers that when you multiply is equal to positive 10. So kung positive yun, ibig sabihin, yung number ay na i-multiply natin is both negative or both positive. Okay, so we have 10 and 1, we have 2 and 5. So, since negative 7x yung nasa gitna natin, alam natin na 2 and 5. Kasi dapat, yung factor ng 10 na iisipin natin kapag kainad, okay, yung gitna. So, we have 2 and then 5. Since negative 7x yung gitna, so we get negative 2, negative 7. If you want to check, itong dalawang to, tsaka itong dalawang to, we multiply. So, this is negative 2x and this is negative 5x. Pagkainad natin is negative 7x, which is yung gitna nito. Alright. Okay, so yan na yung factors. Okay, the next step is to solve by using the zero product property. Okay, so bawat isang factor nito, gagawin natin 0. So, it's x minus 2 equals 0. And then here, we have x minus 5 equals 0. Okay. And then, we transpose this to the other side. So, we have x equals 2 and then x equals 5. In the video, I checked the answer pa. So, may checking pa. Pero sa inyo, hindi nyo na kailangang i-check. Okay. Now, number 2, we have 3x squared plus 7x equals 6. This time, the given is not in the standard form. Okay, anong gagawin natin? Okay, so itong 6, i-move natin sa left para maging 0 yung right side. So, we have 3x squared plus 7x. Okay. Now, yung 6 dito sa kanan, positive. Pag nilipat natin sa kaliwa, dahil tumawid siya sa equal sign, it would be minus 6 equals 0. Okay. And then we do the same. Okay, since it's already in the standard form. So, dalawang parentheses equals 0. So, we start with 3x squared. Okay. Ano bang factors ng 3? Diba 3 and 1? Ibig sabihin, two numbers na kapag multiply natin ay 3. So, 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Okay, so we have 3x and then just x kasi yung 1 goes. Okay, now, we look at negative 6. Okay. Ano ba yung mga factors ng negative 6? Okay, so pwedeng negative 1. Ito ngayon, negative 6, ibig sabihin, magkaiba ng sign. Okay, so for example, sabi nyo, ay, negative 1, negative 1, positive 2. Negative 1, positive 6, sorry. Okay, so negative 1, okay, positive 6. Okay, pagka chinek natin yan, this is negative 1, x, and this is 18x. Pagka inad natin, 17x square. X. Okay, so hindi siya equal dun sa gitna. Okay, so ibig sabihin, hindi siya yung factors na hinahanap natin. So, isip pa tayo ng iba. Okay. Ano bang pwede? Okay. So, halimbawa, positive 2, okay, negative 3. Okay, so ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay, this is now 2x. This is now negative 9x. Okay, pagka inad natin to, negative 7x. Which is, hindi equal dun sa gitna. Kasi yung nasa gitna is positive 7x. Pero malapit na. Ano na lang pinagkaiba? Ang pinagkaiba niya na lang yung sign. So, ang gagawin natin, yung sign yung pagpapalitin na lang natin. Ito. Okay, tsaka ito. Okay, so, ang gagawin natin, we make this negative 2, and then this is positive 3. This is trial and error. Okay? So, ito, ngayon, magiging negative 2 times x, that's negative 2x. Okay? And then 3 times 3, that would be positive 9. So, this now is positive 7x. Okay, so equal na siya dun sa gitna. Okay. And then, all we need to do is to use the zero product property. Okay, so this would be 3x minus 2 equals 0. And then this is now x plus 3 equals 0. So, ito munang x plus 3 ang gawin natin. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin is, we transpose this to the other side. So, we get x equals negative 3. Okay, so, easy enough. Now, when we look at 3x minus 2, tapos transpose natin yung negative 2 sa kabila, we get 3x equals 2. Now, hindi pa ito yung sagot. Kasi may kasama pa yung x sa kaliwa. Meron ka pang 3. So, ang gagawin natin, we divide by 3. So, magka-cancel ngayon to. So, we get x equals 2/3. Okay, yan na yung sagot. Okay? So, this is what we have last week na nandun sa video. Alright? Okay, bye!